Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So this is very urgent update. This is not a sleeping time. Wake up, my brothers, wake up, because all crypto market is completely fails down, and the current condition is going to be very bad, very bad. So BTT holder, my brother, you can see here this time the last 7 days chart, the last week, my friends, chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely telling my brothers today are completely fails down. So make sure, my brothers, to if they fails down, if this fails down, then absolutely after a fails they take a very good jump. I give you proof, my friend. I predicate this coin, but kindly, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. If you can see, my friend, this time just and only I search this point, you can see after a fails they take a jump, after a fails they take a jump. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation to after a fails they take a jump. So it's mean, my friends, to the complete, if you could see, my friends, this time they fails down very bigly. You could see, my friend, very big fails, but after this fail, absolutely they will wake up and they take a very good jump. It's clearly show, my friends. Make sure to after fails they take a jump. So it's mean to after this fails they also take a very good jump. Let's see, my friends, to they really jump and after this fail or not, my friends. Kindly, you like, yes, exactly, my friend. You can see here this time my prediction is absolutely right. You can see, my friend, my prediction is completely right. 1.85% they're moving upward. The price in the profit, you can see here, my friend, 0.0032 02 USD dollar is the latest price. You can see they completely moving upward. Oh my goodness, absolutely, this is very good news for all BTT holders. So hope you enjoyed this video, and upcoming times they're moving upward, so you need to hold and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel. Yeah, press the bell icon for videos notification.